Now I'm going to make a quick video about a very important planet in our life. A planet which is which adds meaning to our life, to our relationship, and why we are living. So the planet is Venus. Venus is the royal planet, along with the sun and moon, that are the other royal planet, but it is considered minister who gives advice to king. Venus in first and fifth makes the native extremely beautiful. So whenever I see a beautiful woman, I got to know that her birth chart having Venus in first or fifth house. Why you know? Because Venus is the significator for beauty and woman also. So woman plus beauty, Venus in first or fifth house. Basically, it doesn't apply only for women. Any native in first or fifth house will make him very attractive or her very attractive. Venus is all the drama we encounter in our life, including the emotional drama. It is the beauty, it is the diplomacy, it is the politics. Venus is luxury, it is art, it is poem, it is charm, it is the word of the poet, it is the poetry, it is popularity, it is charming, it is sweet, it is benevolent, it is sensation, it is our pleasure, it is relaxation, and all the worthy things of our reality. Venus also represents the opposite sex, spouse, relationship, and of course, love. It is attracted by Mars and Saturn. In Hindu text, Venus is also called Shukra. Shukra. Shukra has is the Sanskrit word which meaning is semen. So Venus Venus is the significator for sensation and relationship and the vital energy, the sensual energy in ourselves, which makes us charming. And in Hindu text, Venus is also a teacher. You know, in ancient India, we have um, the teacher for God and the teacher for demons. So the teacher for God is Jupiter, the divine guru, and the teacher for demons or Asura is called the Daitya Guru, and Venus is the Daitya Guru. Venus in fifth house is its house of joy. That house which has similar meaning as Venus, as the meaning of Venus. You know what is the meaning of Venus? Venus stands for drama. Venus stands for beauty. It's it stands for the all the good things in our life, like which is charming, romance, love, hotel, restaurant, dating place, popularity, politics, drama, and these are also significator of the fifth house. That's why Venus is in its house of joy in fifth house, because the significator and the dictionary meaning of Venus and fifth house are very much same, like I've already discussed. Now Venus enjoy herself in the fifth house, and it also does well in Pisces, where it is exalted, and the 12th house, the house of expanse, of luxury, and also a house of large money in forms of shares or future investment. See, 12th house is the house of um, all the money that we have to invest for our future planning. Like if we have to open a new company, then whatever money we want for the investment, that is the 12th house. So all those money is represented by is also represented by Venus in 12th house. Now Venus is friend of Saturn and also Rahu, Mercury, and its enemy are Sun and Moon. Jupiter, Mars are neutral to Venus. Venus does very well with Jupiter, though Jupiter conjunct Venus causes one to relate to spirituality and not overindulgence. Venus is a planet of sensation. It is a planet of beauty. It is a planet of charming. It is a planet that gives meaning in our life. Why do we live? We live to enjoy, isn't it? Why do you want to earn money? Because you want to use that money. That's why you earn it money. If you will not use the money, then what is the meaning of earning the money? So this using of this money, spending of this money, uh, is it gives our satisfaction, and that is the meaning of our life. So Venus, when conjunct with Jupiter, will relate one to spirituality. So it is a something, it pulls it down to Venus in some way, because um, Venus is meant for enjoyment and Jupiter is meant for spirituality. But overall, Venus and Jupiter is a very good thing. Venus is expanded by the expansiveness of Jupiter, and in looking a spouse chart, see Venus conjunct Jupiter is a very good point, because such peoples are related to spirituality and they don't overindulge. Now, Venus with Ketu result in spiritual but committed partner. Venus works well with Saturn, that is its great friend. Venus principle is Saturnine itself. It will always favor the practical aspect of our life. And Venus is also attracted to Mars, the Lord of Wars. So, if you want to win a woman, you have to win Mars and Saturn. So, to please Venus, you have to first please Mars and Saturn. See, women are attracted to such men who are strong. So that strongness is shown by Mars, the Veiler, and those person who are very much practical and logical. That is the quality of Saturn. So Saturn and Mars will give you Venus. So start praying for Saturn and Mars, so that you can win more women in your life. Now, um, Venus is also attracted to the Lord of Wars, that is Mars.